Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I have a package from SKINSTAR today. We're gonna unbox this and see what's inside here. So yeah, let's get started. Here, ooh, we have like a pamphlet and then we have like the package of skincare products. Ooh, I'm excited! Alright, before we look into the products, why don't we check the pamphlet to see what it says. Oh, okay, so they sent like a pamphlet of what's in the package. The toner that we saw, the Ampoule, there's also some cleansing water, foam cleanser, tea tree. And then we have the eye cream, a sleeping mask, a peeling gel, and a blackhead remover nose mask. I'm excited for that one because I actually was looking for a blackhead mask, so that's pretty cool. Why don't we look at these products first and then we'll look at the package inside here. This is the PureHeals Propolis softening toner, and what is this for? This has like propolis in it, but it's like soothing for the skin and it protects it. So it's like a peeling toner. So they have in the pamphlet like a description, so I'm gonna just read that. The softening toner is a toner that creates a beautiful skin with propolis ingredients and reducing dead skin cells. And then we have the PureHeals Centella 90 Ampoule. Looks like this. Centella 90 Ampoule is a hypoallergenic ampoule containing 90% of Centella extract for sensitive skin. So this one is kind of like for sensitive skin. It's perfect because I have very sensitive skin, so I'm excited to use this one. Kind of has like a minty smell to it. And then this one, kind of smells like leaves. The essenHERB tea tree cleansing water. No, it looks like that. This one is a no wash type cleansing water containing tea tree that is good for skin soothing. So that's what the packaging looks like. In this green bottle. Oh, this one kind of has like a minty smell as well. All right, so this one is also skin irritation test completed. Okay, so these are great. So this is the tea tree foam cleanser from essenHERB, and that's what it looks like. So the tea tree foam cleanser is a foam cleanser containing tea tree leaves that cares not only for thick makeup, but also over exfoliating dead skin cells and sebum. So these two are makeup cleansing products. This is the cleansing water and the foam cleanser. They're both, I think, good for sensitive skin, so I'm excited to try these. Next one is the PureHeals Centella 80 eye cream. That's what that one looks like. This is an eye cream containing 80% of Centella extract to firmly care for eyes that have lost elasticity. I'm actually gonna try putting some on like my hand to see. So it's kind of like this milky formula, and these all have like a very minty smell to it. I like it. It's like really smooth and soft. The next one is the PureHeals Real Centella Leaf Sleeping Mask. So that is the sleeping mask. This is a sleeping mask that contains the originals of Centella leaves, soothing and moisturizing tired skin during the night. It's like a gel consistency. This one smells really good. This is the type of smell I like when it comes to like skincare or like makeup products. It smells really good. But yeah, we have a sleeping mask. Next one in here is the pH 5.5 Vita Peeling Gel. Vita Peeling Gel. So that is the product. It's actually like in the orange packaging, but as you can see the product inside. This is a healthy peeling gel that removes dead skin cells and protects the skin. I want to try using this one today because I was actually looking for an exfoliator. Last product is a Blackhead Remover nose mask. So this one is the CLIV Blackhead Remover nose mask, solution nose mask that removes blackheads and various skin wastes with 2 steps. So I guess you put the number 1 first, and then you put some water on like your nose, and then you put the number 2 on, and then it's supposed to remove your blackheads. I'm excited to use this one because I was actually in the looks for a blackhead remover, and hopefully this one works. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.